I'm now going to demonstrate how to record customer refunds on Sage Accounting, which is Sage Business Cloud. In order to record a customer refund, there first has to be a credit note on the customer's account or an overpayment on the customer's account. So if I go to example customer 2 here, you can see that there is an outstanding credit note of 500. So the credit note has to be outstanding, and then we can record the refund of that £500 of that credit note. Going back to customers, if I go to Aviva this time, on this account, there is an outstanding overpayment, so customer receipt, which hasn't been allocated to any invoices. It's outstanding. Once again, this can be recorded as a refund. So if that money that they paid, that overpayment, has been refunded, I'll show you how to record that. We go to banking. You can click on the bank account and then go to new entry and purchase payment, or if from the banking screen, so going back to the screen, you can go to new at the top right here and click on purchase payment. One of these tabs is customer refund. So if I click on customer refund, and if I bring up example customer 2, which has the outstanding credit note, it's showing down the bottom here, 500, I can now record that refund. So if the refund was made from the bank account and it was made today by electronic transfer, put the reference in. What was the amount refunded? It was the full 500. I can just click here though on the credit note to enter that amount. If I now click save, that will mark that credit note as no longer outstanding and mark it as refunded, and 500 would have been recorded as leaving the bank account. So if I go to the customer's account now, example customer 2, you can see the balance is no longer negative 500 but 0, and that customer refund has been allocated against that customer's credit note, that sales credit note. And I can do the same to go back to bank accounts, go to new. I can do the same for that overpayment. So customer refund, Aviva. This is the payment on account of 400. If I just tick that, it's from the bank account again. It's electronic. It was a couple of days ago. Click save. Once again, that refund has been recorded against the bank accounts. If we look at the banking transactions, you can see that we have the 2 customer refunds down here. And if I go to the customer's account, if I go to Aviva, it's now 0. And that overpayment has been refunded. So customer receipt of 400, customer refund of 400. Any questions, please let me know below.